Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how do you cancel a buyer request that you have just created or made. So firstly, log into your Fiverr account. So once I've logged into your Fiverr account, so go and look for the request of the job that you created. For me, like I just created it, so it's in here. My notification, I just posted it. So let me have a look at it. All right, so here. So yep, let's go for it. So this is the one I just created. So all you have to do here is just click on cancel. So this is now going to get cancelled. Yep, that's it. So this is now cancelled. So you shouldn't be getting any more requests or offers from sellers as this is now cancelled. So hopefully this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.